My story today is called Night Animals. Hey, Possum, what are you doing in there? I'm hiding. Shh. What are you hiding from? Night animals. Now keep quiet. Can you move over? Let's find somewhere else. Oh! Did you hear something? Are you trying to scare me? Help me! Oh! Help you! You're a wolf. That's funny. But something is following me. What is it? It's big and hairy with long, sharp claws. I'm not here. You guys gotta help me. Something huge is coming. What can be bigger than a bear? Why is the sky getting darker? Night animal, run, hide! Stop! What are you so scared of? We're scared of night animals. But you are night animals. Oh, did you hear something? Click. Run, run, run. Who? That guy's funny.